Want to make the crispiest gourmet French fries at home? I'm Allison with Simple Fantastic Kitchen, and today we'll learn how to make gourmet French fries in an air fryer with my sister Suzanne's easy and delicious recipe.
Okay, so this is so simple. We've already washed 6 potatoes. We're going to put them into the air fryer basket.
And that's it.
So we're just going to put them in 400 degrees for 20 minutes. Go about your business. Do whatever else you need to do.
Sometimes when I'm finishing my workday, needing to make dinner for the kids, it's very busy at that time of day, but of course you want to make something good and something that they'll eat.
And nutritious.
Absolutely. So it just gets it started in the air fryer. So I'm not actively needing to cook. I can get them done, and then when I'm ready to start dinner, I have the potatoes halfway there.
Yeah.
Without muss or fuss.
You'll notice we didn't peel the potatoes yet. That's because we're about to show you a time-saving potato peeling hack.
So we've just pulled them out of the air fryer. They have cooled down just a little bit, but they're still hot, so we're going to put them in some nice cold water. You can even put an ice cube in there. Very effective. And then the skins will just peel off so easily. You don't have to peel them with a potato peeler.
No,
they just come right off. And under a minute to peel one potato by hand, and then you're not dealing with that messy potato peeler.
And we're ready.
So the next step in the process is to chop up the potatoes and get them ready to be seasoned.
We've just air fried the potatoes whole. And so they're partially there. They're halfway there. They're par baked. You can cut your fries in circles, wedges, or I like to have the fries in smaller strips. They're much easier to cut than when they're raw.
Mm-hmm.
This is one of the kids' favorite. And it really doesn't take much more time than popping in frozen fries or something from the store.
Mm-hmm.
And this is just potatoes and spices, so you're not having any of the preservatives.
Or sugar.
Or sugar. You know exactly what's in it. You can limit the salt or not. The more uniform you cut them, the more uniform they'll cook. This is a fun activity also you can do with your kids. They can add spices that they like to put on it.
So there are 2 ways that you can do this next step. You can use a spray, like an avocado oil spray or an olive oil spray, or you can do just plain old olive oil. We're gonna do plain old olive oil today, but the spray is also very effective.
Absolutely.
Right?
And for these fries, because they're going in the air fryer, you really don't need extra oil to get them crunchy, but it tastes really good.
And it also helps the other elements stick to it, and it does taste absolutely delicious. So we're gonna start off with some olive oil drizzled on top. Woo! And then just going to stir that in.
Exactly. And since these are already partially baked, they're not as hard as raw, so you just have to be a little bit gentle when you're going
through. A little delicate. Okay.
So what we like to eat is garlic on our fries. So we have some minced garlic that we're putting in. We're going to toss everything. I still like to spread it around so that we have a good mix, but we will toss it in case things are clumpy. We're also going to add some salt.
Go ahead.
Maybe half a teaspoon. Just since there are smaller pieces, there's a lot of edges, so it's nice to have a taste of salt on everything.
And remember, there are 6 potatoes in here.
Right.
So you might need a little extra. And then we're just going to round it off with some ground pepper.
Absolutely.
Some
people like chopped onions or dried onions added, cilantro, parsley chopped up.
Parmesan.
Exactly. It's whatever you like, but this is the basic technique for making any kind of fries.
Okay, so I feel like it's in a pretty good place. So now we're just going to get it into the air fryer basket. Whee! Go. A little bit more. All right, so now we're going to go ahead and put them in. And what do you normally do it at? 400?
So we do it at 400 for 10 minutes and then toss it. And then do it again at 400 for 10 minutes.
So you're just going to sort of toss it to make sure everything's getting the same even consistency of baking.
Exactly.
Some air fryers, if you put it in for 20 minutes, it'll say, go ahead, turn over the food at 10 minutes. So if you feel comfortable, you can put it in for 20 minutes and then flip it at 10. Make sure you toss it. these French fries. They look amazing and they smell so good. All there is left to do is to try these French fries. They were so good.
I know. Crunchy on the outside and nice and
Soft
tender
in
on
the inside, yeah. And then just the simple flavors of the salt and the garlic and the pepper and the oil. Mwah. It's so good. All right, so we have the ultimate taste tester here, Suzanne's son, Adam, and he is going to try the French fries and tell us what you think.
All right,
Adam.
So good, right?
So good.
So good. Your mom makes this for you quite often, right?
Yeah.
Yeah? You love it? Is your mom an amazing cook or what?
Ah,
Yeah. This is so good. So is there anything you want to say to the lovely people watching out there?
like and subscribe for new videos. Leave a comment. Don't forget to read the description. Check all of our other videos out. Peace out.